In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a logo in Figma. So let's say we have a Figma logo right here, and as you can see, it's a PNG file. This means it's an image, and unfortunately, we can't change its color directly because, well, it's already baked into the image itself. But don't worry, I'm going to show you an easy way to get around this by using a mask. First, what we're going to do is create a new shape. You can choose a rectangle, a circle, or any shape that suits your needs. The important part here is to ensure that the shape is significantly larger than the logo itself. This gives us a bit of room to work with, making the masking process smoother and more precise. Once you've got your shape, go ahead and change its color to whatever you desire. This new shape will effectively act as a color filter for our logo. Now that you've created and colored your shape, the next step is to combine the shape and the original logo. To do that, you'll want to select both the shape and the image file. One quick way to do this is to simply drag your cursor to form a selection box around both elements, ensuring they're both highlighted. Alternatively, you can hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on each item individually to select them together. With both elements selected, it's time to apply the mask. Just right-click on your selection and choose the Use as Mask option from the context menu. This action cleverly combines the two elements, letting the new color from our shape shine through the transparent areas of the logo. And just like that, you'll notice the logo's color changes, now reflecting the color of the shape we created underneath. The beauty of this method is its flexibility. You can quickly alter the logo's color by going back and changing the color of the shape. This means you have complete freedom to experiment and settle on a hue that perfectly matches your design needs. And that's how easily you can change the color of a logo in Figma using a simple masking technique. It's a neat and efficient way to adapt existing logos to fit various color schemes without the headache of redrawing them entirely. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more Figma tips.